Jewelry has always played an important role in traditions of Turkmenistan. The earliest descriptions of Turkmen silver jewelry date back to the late 18th century. 3 types of precious metal were used: first bronze, then gold, and finally silver. These materials were used because of their flexibility and visual interest. As Turkmen people were interested in using their own natural resources, silver was a perfect choice. Mines beneath the landscape yielded veins of silver that went on for miles. Jewelry was made originally to protect women's arms, head, and chest from arrow and sword attacks, like gilded armor. The tradition developed around using a single process involving silver, a carnelian, arabesque designs, and coinage. Girls would be dressed with ornamented jewelry featuring precious gemstones and, when she reached maturity, would adorn heavier pieces. A bride's jewelry had many intricate pieces and was required to weigh at least 36 kilograms to show her status. Gemstones would be chosen based on their spiritual strength. While the enormous scale and weight of silver represented affluence and wealth, they also served as trophies of the Turkmen victories. Turkmen jewelry is often described in conjunction with both men's and women's clothing. During his travels to remote areas of Turkmenistan, artist Durdy Bayramov often ventured into the local bazaars, or markets, and sought rare and historic ornamental pieces for his paintings. Turkmen jewelry had a special place in his extensive collection. This painting from Bayramov's Cultural Figures series captures a Turkmen usta, a Turkmen jeweler, with his tools and equipment for creating traditional silver jewelry. In the artist's classic style, he captures the sitter against a background of a Turkmen flat tapestry known as a kilim. This painting is a good example of Bayramov's use of deep and rich earth tones. The contrast and depth allows the images to pop off the picture plane and become three-dimensional. The usta's face gives us one of many focal points as he explains to the viewer the process of silversmithing. One of Bayramov's most powerful pieces that features jewelry as a focal point was a commissioned thematic composition featuring women adorned in traditional clothing. They have gathered to pay respects to soldiers serving in the war and are donating their valuables, such as jewelry, rugs, and handmade items. These women collected several tons of silver jewelry. These pieces were often highly personal, which shows the selflessness that Turkmen women are known for. For Bayramov, Turkmen jewelry and objects constituted a delicate art form full of secrets about the culture and history of Turkmen people. To date, the Durdy Bayramov Art Foundation has hundreds of pieces of antique jewelry collected by the artist.